Good morning, student. Today's the subject accountancy. We will learn chapter trial balance. Today's we will explain today's we will learn we will solve the problem 4, back question 4. Following balance are extract from the book of Ramesh Medical prepared trial balance on 31st December 2000. Salary 3000, building is 40,000, capital is 64,000, bills receivable is 11,600, debtors is 16,000, insurance 550, debit creditor is 18100, bills receivable is 5,000, bad debts reserve is 1,000, bank overdraft is 15,000, commission received 6,000, charities rupees 300, purchases rupees 10,000, sales is 22,000, purchase return is rupees 300, sales return rupees 700, cash in hand is 62,450. So we will start the back question 4. Trial balance as on date 31st December 2000, name of account DR and CR amount. Salary 3,000 debit side, building is always entered in debit side because the all assets is entered in debit side. Salary debit, building is debit, capital entered in credit side, bills payable is our liabilities is entered credit side, debtor assessed debit side, insurance is our expenses entered debit side, creditor is our liabilities entered in credit side, bills receivable assessed is our entered in debit side, bad debts reserve reserve is entered in credit side, bank overdraft is entered in credit side, commission received in entered in credit side, charities credit debit side, purchase is shows in debit side, sales credit side, and purchase return is entered in credit side, sales return is entered in debit side, and cash in bank is entered in debit side. तो ये मैंने बताया कि सबसे पहले आपका सैलरी है डेबिट में आएगा, बिल्डिंग भी डेबिट में आएगा, कैपिटल क्रेडिट में होगा, बिल्स पेबल क्रेडिट, डेटर्स इज एंटर्ड डेबिट साइड, इंश्योरेंस डेबिट, क्रेडिटर इज एंटर्ड इन क्रेडिट साइड, bills receivable is entered in debit side, bank debt reserve is entered in credit side, bank overdraft liability credit में, commission received credit में लिखेंगे हम, charity debit में, bank purchase is entered in debit side, sales is entered in credit side, purchase return purchase debit में तो purchase return credit में, sales credit में तो sales return debit में, और cash in hand जो है debit में. तो इस तरीके से आपका ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इसका जो ग्रैंड टोटल आएगा वो आएगा आपका 1,38,000. ओके, तो इसी तरीके से और भी जो क्वेश्चंस है वो आप सॉल्व करेंगे. थैंक यू.